Hi, good day everyone. So today we have a problem here. So I face a problem after I do a deep cleaning of the washing machine. My washing machine just won't spin and won't wash. So I try to figure out what happened. So we try to open the switch. Okay, so this is the model Toshiba AWB1100G. This is Toshiba hybrid twin power model. So first we on. Everything is normal. There's no error coding. There's no error coding like 7174, but it just won't wash and won't spin. And when I connect to the water supply just keep on fill, and then after full load with the water, it just won't spin and then won't wash. So we have to figure out what happened. So first have to open. There are four screws at the back of the washing machine. One, two. So the other one and the other two. So after we open the screw, we take out the cover. Okay, let's look. What's the problem here? Okay, let me tell you. You have to look carefully on this thing, this tube. This is the pressure detector of the washing machine. So you have to connect the tube back to the pressure sensor. Once you connect back the tube to the sensor, everything will works like perfectly like normal. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like after I repair. So I change to the spin, then I start. Okay, so the washing machine works perfectly normal now. You can see it is spinning, but unfortunately I can't open because the cover is locked. Otherwise you can see the spinning is running like normal. So everyone, you can get and try. Have a good day. Okay.